Pupils' accounts can be restored within 30 days from the date their account was initially deleted. To re-add pupils using their previous username, the account needs to be permanently deleted. To restore pupils, navigate to the People tab, filter the page by Deleted, and highlight the pupil you'd wish to restore. Once selected, click the down-facing arrow next to the With Selected button and choose Restore from the list. If you wish to permanently delete a pupil from the admin area, within the Deleted filter from the People tab, highlight the pupil using their tick box next to the name, go to the down-facing arrow next to With Selected and choose Permanently Delete. Ensure to enter the word Permanently Delete into the box to confirm. This pupil's data will not be able to be restored going forward.